Good afternoon, stress-free traders. Apologies for being away for a long time. I've been moving country, house, and everything else in between. So I've been extremely busy. Still been trading. Started up last month or so. Been doing well, and I've just forgot to upload some videos. It's all been going very nicely. I've got a few other people who are with me as well now. So yeah, it's going quite well. Anyone wants to get in contact with me, it's the usual email address in the link below. I just want to talk about something a bit different today, because I've basically been. A lot of people have a lot of money to spend, a lot of spare cash floating around people's wallets in the minute, and everyone's highly optimistic and good times roll, you know. What I don't quite get is nobody's at all concerned by what's happening in the markets. Now, looking at that graph on in front of you there from the S&P 500, going back till early 2000, is that? No, 90s. Going back to the 90s. That looks a little bit high. So this is 1990, where my cursor is. And that doesn't seem all that natural to me. Now here you got the 2000 bust, and then you got the 2007, 2008 crash, and from the dip there, that is quite a large run in my opinion. I'm not really a stocks expert, however, I do what I absolutely love, and I go against most people because most people sort of are bullish about markets and love to see companies doing well and stuff. What I don't like is when you see, really crap companies who are badly managed, who don't treat their staff well, and are just doing well because the volume of business they're getting, regardless of how they're treating people. I do love to short those businesses. The sad thing now is, though, unfortunately, a lot of these businesses affect so many people. You look at the American car market, you look at any car market in the world, it's way overheated. I mean, lunacy, giving loans out to people like subprime mortgages. It's the same thing all over again. They're just lending money to anyone. Literally anyone. Getting brand new cars, driving around, and not owning a house when things can't afford it, but they can afford a brand new car all of a sudden. So that's I'm seeing a lot of that going on, and that seems to me a little bit concerning. So, but as ever, what I look for is easy ways to make money out of it. Now, on that graph, that's quite long, right? I mean, that's a long bull run. You look at the bull run here, typical. I mean, this here, people could argue, this bull run up here is huge. Okay, you had little pullbacks in between, but that bull run went on for, decades. However, you look at it recent times, from 90s on, this pattern, there's no correlation to the economy and how stocks are performing. Now that's because all these companies are buying their own stocks. So the reason the prices aren't crashing is because they're getting free money printed, using that money to buy their own stocks, these large corporations. So that's holding up the stock market, which not great, is it? It's not really a free market if the stock's being supported by the companies that are in those indices. To me, that just seems completely insane. I mean, it is insane. A company buys its own stocks to boost its own price. There's no price discovery in that. Anyway, what I like doing is selling those companies. I just spread bet against them. I put stops on, obviously, because in this bull market, anything can happen. But you can get some nice little wins off it if you want to. You email me or contact me if you want further information. I'm doing a few more videos on a few stocks, and also unbelievable. Hang on. Sorry about that. Seems to be something about my phone. I've said this before. I never get phone calls, really. Well, I do. I'll get more of them, actually, because I made a mistake of giving some people my number for some advice, and just keep on calling me. Anyway, that wasn't them. That was getting some oil delivered. So sell companies that are debt laden. I love any company that's got horrific debt. Any bubbles that you can see that are obvious. I go looking around those markets and look for the crap amongst them. You know, the turd company that's just gone ballistic for no reason. And they're out there. There is a lot of them. If you look at you start digging through some of the, just not even digging, just looking at the financials of these companies and the valuations they've got, and the debt they've got, and how they repay that debt, and whether they're actually making money. Feel that you can spot these companies a mile off. I just spread bet against them. Okay, I get stopped out regularly, but it just takes one of these companies to take a tank and go bust, and you make big money. So I love it because it's a nice little bonus. Really, there's not really much risk in it, and the wins are huge. So that's nice. So I'm going to be doing a bit more on the share side of things. I'm still doing my my forex trading. That's just kind of what I do every day. So I just do a little bit, dip my toe in, and then leave. I've binaries as well. I've been doing a bit of binary trading, just using crosses, simple crosses, and that works very well for me. I do an hour in the morning. That's about my day now. No, actually, forex can go on about 3 hours probably. Just the morning session as the market's open from about 7 till 10. That's GMT, that is. And that's really what I do. I don't spend the whole day anymore in front of the computer. I found easy ways to make money, and not to have to do that every day. So let me know if you need any help, assistance. I'll do the best I can. I'm not selling anything, like I said before. However, a few people kind of I wouldn't say taking the piss, but are using my spare time, should we say, to get all the advice they can off me. So I'll try and help as much as I can, but I won't be giving my phone number out anymore. That was a bad mistake on my part. Met some nice people, but you do feel like people are just using you. So you can understand why these people do these training courses and stuff, because people just want something for nothing and rinse you and make a load of money out of you for nothing. So I want to help people as much as I can. That's the whole point of this channel being here. So get in contact if you need any help. You have a good day, and I'll do some more videos in the very near future on stock trading, and I will do a few more uploads on a few other forex trading principles and how to get actually, before I go, so the thing popped into my mind as a well scripted video as usual. If people are asking me about making livings, constantly asking about making a living trading, I'm going to cover this separately in the video, okay? Because there's so many people asking about it now. Don't worry yourselves about making livings immediately, okay? Just they'll pressurise you too much. People are frustrated, and people lost their jobs and things. And they want to make money quick. There are simple ways you can do that in binary, which will make you feel good, but not necessarily a millionaire. And they're fairly low risk, but you just need to put a little bit of money into it, not a lot of money. Because it's not a career, really. It can make you a nice bit of surprise money now and again. I tend to do mine with, like I said, within under an hour in the morning. So, but I'll do some more things on that on the binary front, and on the stocks, and on the forex strategies. Sorry for the interruption in the video and me just flicking the mic off just then. It is a overcast day, I'm afraid. Southwesterlies again, freshening, and cloud is building. Could be rain later. But anyway, we're going to make some money tomorrow morning, so we're happy. Have a good day. See you later. Bye.